Hey guys, it's VT Cubing. Today I'm going to be doing a kind of different video. I'm going to be showing off my dad's cubes that he's collected so far. Oh, and just to mention before I start the video, this is the area of his cubing, and he has some tools underneath. I'm not gonna go through them because it's not cubing related, and this channel is VT Cubing, not VT Tools showing. So yeah. So first of all, he has the Qi Wuxia M2x2 that we unboxed in the very big unboxing. It's pretty much the best 2x2 out of my collection, his collection, and my mom's collection. So I'm definitely using this in my next competition, so stay tuned for that. Here, this is the Yushin 8 Petals cube. It's basically a ready cube that's just rounded, so it's not much different, and it's magnetic. Like, it's super easy to solve. A beginner can solve this thing intuitively without tutorials. But yeah, this is a great cube. The one he's collected, actually traded from me, is this X-Men Volt Square One. I used to have it. Then he got himself a Little Magic Square One, which now we traded for. Now I have the Little Magic Square One, and he has the Volt. And now, compared to the Little Magic Square One, it's very loose. It can corner cut a bit more, and it can barely even corner cut a Square One, so who really cares about that? And then he's got this properly set up Warrior W, G Warrior W. It's now become 0.75% better than the Little Magic Stickless and Sticky. So yeah, still good, but one had set up by him because he really knows how to set up his cubes. So yeah, that is that. And this is the GX cube, most known by other companies as the Dino cube. It's basically this 8 petals already cube, just without corners, basically. Super easy, like way easier. It's definitely easier than the 8 petals, so yeah. Then he has this thing, which is it's so easy, but it's so long to take. It takes so long. You have to match up these stars so that you can turn some sides, like here, here. And as you can see, it's very jumbled up. And yeah, this feels so weird. And you got some commutator-ish things where you could just do some stuff like that, and you could go, and yeah, you could just mess around with the face. So yeah, great puzzle overall. Next is a super easy one. This is the Ancient Coin one. It has the same turning faces that you have on the Pentacle cube, except it's just not a pentacle. It's four-sided. Well, four things here instead of 5, so it makes it way easier. And the corners aren't too bad to deal with, and they have the same commutators here, as you can see. You just do that and solve. So yeah, great puzzle. Now to the biggest and baddest and take the longest time out of all collection cube-ish thing. So this is the Clover cube. I don't know really what the name of it is, and I think it's the Clover cube, but this takes forever when it's jumbled up, except when you know how to solve I don't know what it's called. It's something like this, but it has corners, and it's so hard. And if you know how to solve that, this thing is super easy in comparison, and I have no idea. I've heard about the Clover Cube Plus, and yeah, it turns like a helicopter cube, which is an edge turning puzzle. And yeah, it can jumble. Yes, it's super hard. Why can I not turn this face? Anyway, that's it for this Clover Cube thing. Super hard. Took me a day and a half to solve with my dad. This is a puzzle I collected. This was a cube I collected before I even started this YouTube channel. It's the Chi Kaiming Budget Pyraminx. It's so bad. It sucks the bag compared to the Yushin Huanglong or the X-Men Bell Pyraminx. I personally prefer the Huanglong Pyraminx over the X-Men Bell. But yeah, this really sucks in comparison. So yeah, just going really quickly through that. And he put it on 10 stands because if you put it on one stand, it just goes like this and it will fall over. If you put it on a couple of stands, it'll do that. Last but not least, on the cubes, he has this GAN 354M, and this is pretty much the fastest cube ever. Faster than the GAN X, definitely. But yeah, not much else to say about it except good. Yeah, great. He put it inside this little dome here, but yeah, great. Now he has his package over here for his GAN 354M. Here he has a towel to wipe down his cubes because he does not want my dirty hands on his cubes. I don't know why, but... And this is his algorithms trying to learn some Ortega stuff here. And he's learned this case, which is this one with the 2 here, 2 back there. R2, E2, R2, R2. So much easier. And yeah, he's just doing whatever. And he has his Chi Secret tutorial book. See, there's pretty much every cube here by Chi and by... Just get it. It's really good. And there's tutorials for pretty much anything here. And he has a birthday candle because he likes to enjoy his experience. It's almost out, but who cares? Yeah, we'll buy a new one. And that is it for the tour, but we are going to do some solves. So I decided to make a solve on this 2x2, Wuxia M, the GAN 354, the 8 petals, the X cube, and the ancient coin. So we'll just scramble this up super quickly.
It's super quick because there's not much time for this video. This is so hard to just handle and scramble.
Okay, so let's just get right into this. These are not necessarily my best solves ever, but because I had no time for inspection, obviously. Whoops. I've really been trying to improve my 3x3, and I got my PB down to a 12.22 using the GAN X, and I've been getting a bunch of 12s lately, so that sounds great. Okay, that can go down here. Okay. Okay, here I got this thing. Did I ever tell you how annoying to turn this thing is? I don't think I said it, but I'm saying it now. It's annoying to turn this X cube because it cannot corner cut. Okay. This is the cube I always try to get a sub 1 minute on, but it's just never gonna work. I just can't get that lucky. Not in the VT cubing world. Just turn face. There you go. Okay. Okay. Did that first layer, ish type thing. Come on, just turn. Just turn. Okay. This bit takes long, but just not as long as you would expect. Great. Tell me this is the worst bit. Yep, so that was it for my dad collection tour. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.